Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So, this is our second location. A lot of people's been asking, what type of view is me and Babe waking up to? Let me give you a glimpse. Come this way. Open up these nice patio doors. If you follow me. Yeah, remember, this is Bali. Sometimes there's a little moisture in the morning, a little rain, but come on, this way. And this is our wonderful view right here. Beautiful greenery, beautiful mountains everywhere.
Do you see that mountain right there? I'll show you what it looks like in a little bit.